this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing and review for you guys. I have a pack for you here. I have a footwear for you. Let's see what we have. Let's take this off from here. It's a beautiful looking Puma box we have. Forever better, written from Puma in this case. This side also writes in Puma forever, barcode and other information. So we have a sneaker for you guys. Here you can see this is Pounce Lite Adp Lilac Crush Palm Jump Puma White. It's a sneaker. The size is UK 6.5, Euro 40, US 7.5 and Argentine 39. So different size of this sneaker you can see. Let me take this off for you guys. Here we go. See how beautiful this one is. A little bit closer. See the texture here, the less beautiful, very light. I feel at my hand. Puma, you see original. Port red written, very light. I feel as a grip as rubber is not a plastic altogether, rubber grip. So when you run, your foot, it stays at its place. Wow, lovely sole texture. You can see very close. Logo here. I'm making this video on a sunny day. Beautiful sneaker to go and run in sunny days. You see Puma Lite. So this is light version from Puma. Here is one logo Puma. See how beautiful here the stitching. This inside. Take this off from here, from middle. We see some barcode option inside. The size is written. You see some lights goes inside, how light it is. See here. Beautiful Puma logo inside. The texture of this one, amazing. Very light. For training, for running, for different sports you can do with this one. Lovely here. One hole to make it more light. Backside you have as a curve. The front side is high, has a curve as well. You have some kinds of steel to protect at the edge. Puma logo, how beautiful this looks. Amazing. Here one writes something as a Nike, but it's not a Nike. Okay, it's Puma. I prefer more Puma than Nike. I use them different purposes, different sneaker. In this case, I take this off. The other one, let's see, is the same. You can see the color is purple. Lovely sneaker. Sole, you can see how it is. If I put more closer, the texture, you can see the detail in this. As a tire, expensive quality in this. Okay, price could be $80 to $110, pound, euro, wherever you are. Depend, price could be changes of the product, not be cheaper than that. You see how high here to protect your feet in any circumstances in this case. Okay, so this is unboxing and bit review of Puma sneaker. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.